Let's learn how to install Neverness to Everness on Linux together. I have actually installed it before, so I do partially know what I'm doing, but there is something else at the end I want to test out. This is the first time I've recorded with my desktop on here. Let's hope this goes well. First thing you want to go to do, in the description I'll have it linked, but you can also just look it up yourself. It's really easy. Just look up Neverness to Everness, go to their website, and download their regular old Windows exe installer. I get this error whenever I open the website. I don't know why, but I already have it downloaded. Just click the PC download button. That's your step one, so you're already doing great. Next up, we do need to install a certain version of Proton. Neverness to Everness really struggles with any version of Proton other than DW Proton, which is a version of Proton designed specifically for gotcha games, so it's got everything we really need. There's a lot of different managers you can use for installing Proton versions. I personally use Proton Plus. If you're on Arch, I'm pretty sure it's just directly in the regular repositories. That's the commands to install it. You can look it up for whatever distro you use, though, and you can install it like that. From there, open it up. It should look something like this. Make sure you're just in the Tools tab, go for Proton, look for DW Proton, click it down, and install this DW Proton latest. That is just going to automatically install the latest version whenever there's an update. It'll look like something like this. Just click the download button, and that's all you gotta do. From there, you should probably restart Steam. From there, you're gonna want to open up your Steam library, go down to the bottom left, click Add a Game, and add a non-Steam game. Click Browse, go to wherever you downloaded that installer earlier. It should have this really long name. And then just add that as a non-Steam game. It should show up under your uncategorized right over here. Now this step is important. We have to actually make sure we're using DW Proton. So right click on it, go to Properties, click Compatibility, force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool, and scroll down the list and click DW Proton. Just make sure it sets it there after you click it. From there, we just hit play and the installer should, in a second, right there, as if it's a regular old Windows installer, opens right up, click OK for whatever language you choose. And here it is, the regular old installer. Take a look at this installation location. I've seen it sometimes say a drive other than C. Um, if you want to install on a secondary drive, you have to change it, and if it doesn't say C, you have to change it. I can show you how to fix both of those. For both of them, you're going to go Custom Install, and then click Change on this installation path. If you want to set it to just the C drive of the wine prefix, you can go My Computer, C, Program Files, and just click on Program Files, and it'll automatically make the folders needed. And if you want to install to a separate drive, just go to wherever that's mounted on your Linux system. Mine is under the root and then Media Linux Games. Then I'm just going to install it right into there. And as you can see, it's going to automatically make the Neverness to Everness folder for us, so we don't have to do anything special there. From there, you just click the Continue button and then Agree and Install, and that will install the actual game launcher for us. And that was very fast. It goes right into updating the launcher, and once that's done, it will actually open up the launcher, but we're not going to install from there yet. So this is what the launcher will look like when it opens. We're not actually going to hit the install button yet, though, because we have to actually add the launcher as its own separate Steam game. So we can just close out of here. If it doesn't stop here, make sure to click Stop in Steam because you want it completely shut down. This is up to personal preference, but we can't actually delete this installer path, so I just right-click it, go to Manage, and hide it so it doesn't show up in your library. You have to search for it if you want to get back to it. From here, you want to go Add a Game, again, add a non-Steam game, and Browse. Then we're going to find where that launcher installed. If you installed it into the C drive that was defaulted there, you're going to go to your home directory, hit Control H, and that will let you see hidden folders and stuff. Go .local, share, scroll until you find Steam, go Steam Apps, Compat Data, and this is where all of your prefixes for each of your individual games are. Since this is a non-Steam game, we can't really look up the ID, and you just have to guess which of these it's under. My guess would be here. I didn't even install it into the prefix, so honestly, I've got no clue where this thing is, but you can just go through each of these numbers one at a time, open up PFX, then drive C, or actually, does it normally have PFX? Or yeah, PFX, drive C, program files. If it has Neverness to Everness in there, open it up, and I can show you what the files will look like with my actual one. Since I have it on a separate drive, I can just go More Linux Games, Neverness to Everness. It will look like this, NTE Global Launcher. So if you find that somewhere in one of those prefixes in one of those program files, that's where it should be. So you just want to double click on it, add selected programs, And here it is. This is the launcher. I'm going to once again go properties. I like to just make the name the actual game name. Yeah, forgot for a second. And once again, make sure to go compatibility, force these specific Steam Play compatibility tool, and DW Proton latest, just to make sure everything actually works properly. From here, we can finally hit the play button, and once the launcher opens, we can hit install. And did it? Yeah, all right. Hit install. Now we're just waiting for the game to install, so I'll be back once that's done. All right, the game just finally finished installing, so the final step you can do is just hit that play button, and it should just open up perfectly fine. Here it is, you got to the loading screen. It should hopefully go past if I didn't break anything. And yeah, usually if you tried to use a different Proton version, like CachyOS Proton is what I normally use for everything, it would just give you an error and then crash the game. But good to know this works. I think it might have another small update to do. No, it has to compile the shaders. All right, I'll see you when that's done. Okay, now we're at the login screen. I'm gonna log in real quick and then I can finally show you the game. All right, and here we are in the game and everything is working perfectly fine. I can run around. Well, it's not perfectly fine. The game's made with Unreal Engine 5, so the performance is just terrible. But like, other than that, the game's working great. I can switch characters. I can do whatever. We're in the game. So yeah, that's how you install it on Linux. Now we're gonna try the thing that I haven't actually tried to do yet. So from what I've heard, the game is supposed to have ray tracing, but it's only on like 50s, 70s and up. So yeah, like it's not here at all. I can turn on DLSS, but there's no ray tracing. I haven't actually looked at the rest of these settings. Um, let's change that because there's apparently a way to enable it forcefully. Okay, this is editing, Tyler. I'm editing this right now, and I will warn you, I'm gonna speed this next section up a ton until the very end of when I actually get it. It's a long thing. This is like 30 minutes of me just trying a ton of different things until it works. I was originally just gonna leave in like my trial and error. It's way too long to all fit in. I might eventually release it separately, but this was bad. You'll see how long it was. This doesn't work. I'm gonna be so mad. Settings. Oh, yes, 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 okay. Okay, I didn't see it, but it's there, okay. All right. Ray tracing in Neverness to Everness on Linux. Got it working. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it first try now, because man, that took a long time. I'm gonna put a time lapse of the amount of time I just took to do that. It's gonna be so long, at least like 20 minutes, maybe 30, but you're gonna see it now. All right, start out, go to the OptiScaler GitHub. This will be in the description. Go to the newest release. Oh, whoops, already messing up. Go to the newest release and download just the newest 7-zip. I'm gonna re-download it in case I don't have it. From there, you can extract it. I already have it extracted, so I'm actually gonna delete that. Extract it, take all these files, go to where you installed the game, your Neverness to Everness, go client, Windows no editor, HT, binaries, Win64, and there should be this htgame.exe. Paste in all of these files from here into here. You're gonna have an optiscaler.dll. It's gonna be in this folder now. You wanna rename it to version.dll. I should have it somewhere in here. Right there, version.dll. Rename your optiscaler.dll to this. From there, you're going to have an optiscaler.ini. If it's not there, just open the game and close it again, and it should be there. Open it up with your preferred text editor. Search for DXGI, find it, change the DXGI equals, it should say auto by default, change that to true. Then go use NTDLL, find that, change this from auto to false. Last thing you need to do, make a new file. This won't be there by default, dxvk.conf. Open it up. I'm going to have this GitHub page in the description as well. You can open these options right here and then paste these into that dxvk.conf. And that's it. I'm going to open up the game now and show you that it's all working. Okay, game's now open. Go to your settings menu. You're going to be on the graphics tab, and right under this frame rate, you got ray tracing. I actually don't know if it was there for me. It might have been under something else. Oh no, it was under lumen, but that goes away when you turn on ray tracing. So turn that on. You got ray tracing. Full ray tracing is going to be your path tracing. That was really laggy. I didn't try it with FrameGen. I am also recording, so that takes a bit of... Oh! With FrameGen, it's smooth, it's a nice... Okay. This is how I'm going to be playing. This is great, actually. In combat, it probably lowers a bit. Can I refight this? Maybe. I cannot. That's how you do it all on Linux. Install and getting ray tracing working. As far as I'm aware, I've never seen a video guide for getting ray tracing on Linux. So maybe I'm the first. If you like this and if you want to see the full like 30 minutes of me hating my computer while I try to do the registry stuff, get the Windows executables running under the prefix, I can upload all that separately as like a full video if you just want to see me ramble to myself and my computer and to the camera, really. I'm gonna look at like the FPS numbers once I turn this off and see how it actually does perform, but please leave a like and subscribe and go look at me on TikTok because I post more frequently on there. Goodbye.